Hello and welcome to the demo of Stock ROI app. Investing in stocks can be a great way to grow your wealth, but at the same time, it's important to keep track of your portfolio's returns so that you can check the performance of your investments regularly and rebalance them from time to time. Does keeping track of your investment returns overwhelm you? Are you tired of guessing which stocks in your portfolio are making profits and which ones are not? Here we introduce a stock ROI application that's designed to simplify tracking your portfolio returns. With its user-friendly graphs and analytics, the Stock ROI app offers a clear picture of how your portfolio is performing and helping you make informed choices about your investments. Let's get started with the demo. Here's a screen you will see on launching the app. To create a portfolio of stocks, you can choose between NYSE or BSE. The BSE option is the default selection. Input the name of the stock, the number of shares purchased, and the purchase price in the relevant boxes. And then press the Save button. You can add more stocks to your portfolio using the same steps. As you add more stocks, they will appear in the table below. To remove a stock from your portfolio or make changes to it, select the corresponding row in the table and carry out the required action. You can see that the table shows the stocks in your portfolio along with the details on the total invested amount and the investment percentage for each stock. Select a row of stock from the table to view the visual charts that show the performance of each stock in your portfolio. Use the Select All or Unselect All buttons to quickly choose or cancel all the stocks in your portfolio with just one click. You can identify the selected stocks by the green buttons below. Also, you can see as you select the stocks, the data and graphs are fetched and displayed below. Click on the Refresh ROI button to keep the fetched portfolio details and graphs current and accurate. The Buy or Sell Recommendations table displays the buy above and sell below prices of your selected stocks. But this is provided for informational purposes only. Always consult a financial advisor before making investment decisions. The net ROI and ROI percentage displayed in the app provide a quick snapshot of your stock's portfolio's performance. If the net ROI is positive, your investment has generated profits, while a negative net ROI indicates losses. The following table provides a detailed breakdown of the portfolio, highlighting key insights such as the total invested amount, invested percentage, ROI, percentage on total returns, and percentage on invested amount for each individual stock. The Stock ROI app's graphs provide a visual presentation of your stock portfolio's performance. By default, the graphs show monthly trends, but you can switch to weekly or daily data. The first one is a line graph. You can track the ROI trends of your portfolio stocks using the line graph. This graph gives you a historical perspective of each stock's performance and shows how the ROI of stock has fluctuated over a period. With this graph, investors gain insights about each stock's volatility and stability to make informed choices whether to buy, hold, or sell the stock. Next one is a bar graph that shows ROI percentage of each stock. By comparing the ROI percentage of different stocks, investors can determine which stocks are performing well and which ones are not. This information can be used to make necessary adjustments to the portfolio, like buying more stocks that perform well and selling those that are not. The portfolio ROI summary bar graph provides a snapshot of your entire stock's portfolio's performance, making it easy to track your investment's progress at a glance. The information in this graph can help you identify which stocks are worth holding on to and which ones may be better to sell. Beneath the graph, you will find a table that shows the total ROI amount. The next graph is the ROI net change graph that shows the performance of the individual stock over time. A positive net change in ROI indicates that an investment is performing well and increasing in profitability, while negative net change in ROI indicates that an investment is decreasing in profitability. By observing this graph, investors can make choices about buying, holding, or selling investments to maximize their returns. The last table in the screen, which is the stock details table, presents key details about each stock in the portfolio for the selected time frame, like the invested amount, ROI percentage, ROI amount, and the net change in the ROI. These details are quite handy for the investor to assess the performance of individual stocks to make decisions about their stock market investments. Thank you for taking time to explore the Stock ROI app with us. Keeping a close eye on your portfolio is important for making informed investment choices and maximizing your returns. The Stock ROI app is designed to make investment monitoring easy and efficient. The app is free from distracting ads or in-app purchases. We hope it simplifies your investment tracking and leads to success.